Hockey occupies a special place in the sporting history of India. It is a game that has brought immense pride to our nation and inspired generations of young athletes. Goa too has a rich hockey tradition. And here at Loyola High School, Loyola has always believed in the holistic development of its students. While our school has earned recognition in academics, we have also been blessed with a proud sporting tradition. Hockey was once an important part of Loyola's sporting culture. Many years ago, our students represented the school with distinction on hockey grounds across Goa. As the years passed, the sport gradually faded from our campus. Today, however, we gather not merely to distribute hockey kits, but to celebrate the revival of a tradition and the beginning of a new chapter in the history of Loyola High School. For this to happen, I give the entire credit to revive hockey here at Loyola after many decades to our young and dynamic PE master, Mr. Ayaz Khan. Let's put our hands together for him.
But he purchased the sticks long back and they were lying in his godown. Digambar Kamat is one of the best chief ministers of Goa. I tell you, because whichever party he may belong to, but he's got a secular nature. Everybody he treats equally. And his humility and simplicity is an example to be taken. You phone him any time of the day, he will pick up the phone. There is no need to stand in line or wait for him. He's such an approachable person. May God give him lot of good health and may he prosper. Every time we want him to see him back as the Chief Minister of Goa. Now, regarding my president, Abhay Bamaikar, after he has taken up hockey has prospered. From the C division, our 3 teams have led to B division. Inacio, Angelo, Nelly are all the helping hands who raise hockey to the B division. We used to get 45 goals, 14 goals, 18 goals, total 45 I mean. And we used to be a laughing stock in hockey India. But after Abhay took up, we have reached the B division. We have been winning with Telangana, Jammu Kashmir, Gujarat and many states. Abhay,
I am very happy to be present in this Loyola High School premises. Sometime back, I had come here for another function also. Today the occasion is different. Today we have gathered here to strengthen hockey, to revive hockey. And we have principal of this school, Reverend Father Anand D'Souza, Father Superior, Reverend Father Simon, President of Hockey in Goa, Sri Abhay, my very close friends, Nelly and Farrell, the hockey coach or the hockey teacher Ayaz, who has been instrumental in creating a wave among the students about hockey, and members of the staff, parents, friends. I am very happy because Farrell told me I have seen us working for strengthening hockey in the state of Goa. Hockey was the main medal winning sports for the country in the long years. If you see the Olympic history, then only gold medal India is to win was in hockey. And what was the score? India is to beat all these countries, other countries, 5-0, 10-0, 8-0. That was the score. I was a good lover of hockey. I have traveled to Mumbai to see World Cup hockey many years back. We had stalwarts like Dhyanchand, Pritipal Singh, so many stalwarts India produced. Experts in penalty corners. So this is the story of hockey. Somehow or other we missed the first. The rules were changed at the international level. The rules suited European countries. The dribbling and that skill slowly reduced, and you have power packed hockey. So you have stamina, survival of the fittest. So it is a stamina game nowadays. Still, I have played hockey in Chocolate College. My friend Mr. Kirtan Tawari, who was an ex-Loyola, he was the captain of Chocolate College team when I was in Chocolate College. And since there were too many students playing hockey, Chocolate College created two teams in hockey, A and B. And Clifton, being my close friend, he said, you must play for B team. And I played for B team. Clifton was captain of A team. So that is what I played hockey. No rules and regulations of hockey at that time. Having a lover of sports, I am associated with lots of sports organizations. But hockey still, I feel, is a place of pride for us. But the moment we talk of hockey, we remember old days, old memories come to our mind. And that is why I am happy that your sports in charge, Ayaz, has really worked hard to create and revive hockey in the Loyola High School.